wanted that to drop. Come on, upgrade a mansion.
They should have 2 more spins here. That's crazy.
Mansion.
Huh?
All right.
Huh?
We have the mansion feature.
Oh, okay.
Come on, fill it up. So again, no, I think it's like $400.
Now that man over here, he got 200.
Come on, three. Come on, three. 2. Come on. 3 has 3. 2. What? Come on, drop. Come on, retrigger it. 3 at a time. 3. 2. Okay, it's done. 10 mansions. The lead 75. I know. Oh, 600. Okay. Come on, civil wheel. Wheel. Major. Boom. Shut up.
Oh, you
Shut
got
up.
$4,000. And you got $4,000. You put enough in the machine.
Nancy.
All right now.
On the lowest bet.
Huh?
On the lowest bet. That is funny.
I got 9,000 paying $650.
Just go.
Don't matter.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, wow. What's all this?
Now you done ruined the major jackpot.
That's the second time with you that I won a major.
Huh?
That's the second time with you that I won a major.
Well, I need to stop talking. You winning all the money, and I ain't winning a dime. How is that your good look, but you ain't mine? It sounds old.
Well, you weren't my good luck. You weren't my good luck for the longest time, fam.
Huh?
You weren't my good luck until the end.